How to make a game pass in Roblox PLS Donut. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can create a Roblox Game Pass with a new update in 2025. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. But so now to create a Roblox Game Pass, the very first thing that you need to do is just need to come to the roblox.com and log into your account first. And from the Roblox homepage, now to create a new Game Pass, just go ahead and click on Create button right over here. Now once you have click on this one, it will take you to the Creator Hub. It will take a little time, so you just need to be patient. And once the page is loaded, from the left side he'll get to see the creations. You just need to click on creations, and this will take you to your creation page, and make sure the experiences is selected. If you scroll down, he'll get to see your places. By default, everyone has this place, so you have to do just need to click on your place right over here, and it's going to give you the overview of your place. And once you get the overview, from the left side he'll get to see lots of options. So just need to scroll down under the monetization. If it's turned off, you just need to expand this the monetization option, and under this one, and he'll get to see the passes. You just need to click on this one, and this will take you to the create game pass option. So I already created two different passes right over here. So let's say I'm going to create a new one. So now to create a game pass, you just need to click on create a pass, and it's going to give you the option to create the pass from here. First thing first, you can change the picture of your game pass, or you can keep it default. So I'm going to click on change, and let's say I'm going to pick this picture for example, and he'll get to see this has been added to my pass. And then scroll down and type the game pass name right over here. Let's say I give it a name, and also you can add a description if you want to. I'm not gonna do this one. And scroll down and just go ahead and click on create pass. And once you do that, and he'll get to see the game pass has been created, the Skytech 2, and it is upsell. So now to sell this game pass, all you have to do is just need to select the game pass from here, and once it gets selected, from the left side he'll get to see the sale. You just need to click on this one, and you just need to toggle on this option item for sale, and you just need to give it a price for this game pass. Let's say I'm gonna type in 30, but make sure you'll get the 70% of the price. So I'm gonna select the 30, so I'll get the 21. So once you have given your price, you just need to click on save changes, and you're pretty much good to go. Your game pass has been created and it's ready for sale. And this is how you can create a game pass for your Roblox PLS Donut. Hope you find it pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.